Hello everyone. Today I will be talking to about accessing hidden snapshot directory. The solution that is presented will work for NFS v3 and NFS v4.1 volumes. Consider this scenario. A systems engineer needs to access the snapshot directory of the Azure NetApp Files volume. The engineer changes its current directory to the directory of the Azure NetApp Files volume and runs the ll command to list all the directory's content including the hidden content. The engineer then looks for the .snapshot directory and notices the .snapshot directory was not visible. The systems engineer was informed by his manager that the snapshot path was now hidden per new security policy. The policy enforcement is enforced via the Azure NetApp Files Hide Snapshot Path feature. Security informed the systems engineers that they can continue to access the snapshot directory after the Hide Snapshot Path feature is enabled. The snapshot path must be known, but the systems engineer can still change directories into the snapshot directory and view the latest snapshot. Now, let's put the security team's solution into practice. Now that we are on our Linux system, we can validate if the security engineer's solution will allow us to view the latest snapshot. First, the systems engineer ran a list all command within the parent directory of the snapshot directory. This is necessary in order to validate if the snapshot path was hidden. The snapshot path is still hidden. Next, the engineer can attempt to cd into the hidden snapshot directory by running the change directory command. The command ran with no errors. Lastly, the engineer listed all the contents of the snapshot directory to view the latest snapshot. Now, it's verified that the engineer provided a valid solution to view the hidden snapshot directory. For more information on the Hide Snapshot Path feature, see the link in the description.